all this is heavy jargon for normal viewers. If somebody comes across, okay, I have 2 properties, somebody tells them, okay, capital gains tax is something that you're liable for. So right now you are here advising our viewers, but on a normal basis, like we say in real estate transaction, you must hire a lawyer. Now we need to start taking advice from a chartered accountant as well. So how do you get about this?
So you clearly need a financial advisor at home. So because there are people hold multiple assets.
If you're a serial investor at least.
Yeah, even if you're not an investor, if you have a portfolio of varied asset classes, this could be equity, this could be real estate, fixed income, gold, you need an advisor who can guide you on the tax implications.
Right.
So it will not be a lawyer's help, it is more of an advisor, and this advisor could be a chartered accountant, this advisor could be a SEBI registered investment advisor or a certified financial planner. Anyone but who understands not just calculation but also understands the investment perspective of the money.
Okay, excellent. So Rohit Kumar next has a question via an email. He says, I have an apartment in Crescent Park, phase 2 in sector 92, Gurgaon. He will be receiving possession in a few months. He wants to sell this and buy another one in Bangalore. He has been paying EMIs for this Gurgaon flat. He wants to know, is he eligible for tax benefits for these EMIs?
See, his name is Rohit?
Rohit, yes.
So Rohit has to understand that any EMIs that he has paid for a property for which he borrowed the money, actually the income tax exemptions can be taken only if he takes the possession of that particular property. He cannot roll over the EMI and interest payments to another property. However, any capital gains that he would make by selling that property that he has bought in the under construction stage, that capital gains can be exempted from taxes. But there is no provision of availing interest benefit from the income tax laws if he is selling a property and buying a new one. The moment he switches over, the income tax, the interest and the income tax calculations automatically start afresh for the new property that he has bought on the borrowed money.
All right.